Hey there! Today I'm going to teach you the Pink Panther theme. It was written by Henry Mancini, and I'm looking here on my Wikipedia page. It was written for the original Pink Panther movie in 1963, so we are 60 years from when it was written. Is that right? That's right. It's crazy. Anyways, it's an amazing piece. It's in the key of E minor. It's got so many cool uses of chromaticisms, and I can't wait to show you. So let's get to it. Stuff to you. All right, so first of all, the intro. I'm just playing C sharp, D, D sharp, E, but I'm playing all power chords or fifths. 1 5, 1 5, 1 5, 1 5, and then I'm following it up with that little bass line. B, E, 7, open. That was 2 to 5 on the D string, and then I slide back from the 9 to the 7, and I start bending, and I count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 E and a 4 E N. Main line. Now I go from 5 to 9, and I try to remember to use a finger other than my third, other than my first, but I'm trying to get from the 5 to the 9, and what I want is I want to have a finger available to bend on the 8 on the G string. So I'm pre-bending on the 8th fret on the G string. So I bend it, and then I hit it and I bring it down. And then again. And then this is right out of our scale. And I bend that note on the D string downward because it's easier than, although that could have worked as well. So now we're going to play it up an octave. 6, 7, 8, 9, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. And I'm just going right around that E chord. 8, 9, 7, 8, 8, 7, 5 to 8, and I'm sliding from the 12, so 5 to 8 on the B string, 12 to 10, and that's 12 10, 8, 9, 7, 9. Now I go from the 3 to the 7, and then I bend the 11, again that pre-bend. We repeat 5, 8, 12 to 10. Now our main line, this cool riff coming right out of the 5th pentatonic shape, right here on the 12th fret. And I like sliding into that 12. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. If you're looking for the tab, find it down below. Look forward to playing with you in the future. Thanks so much.